This movie review channel has garnered remarkable attention, boasting nearly 2 million subscribers. Its most popular videos have amassed over 1 million views, and even its latest releases consistently garner around 100,000 views. According to Social Blade, this channel is estimated to earn nearly $12,000 monthly. Remarkably, you don't need to be an expert in movie analysis, a charismatic presenter, or equipped with professional recording gear to launch a movie review channel of your own. The path to starting such a channel is open to all. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process. Let's dive in. In the first step, I'll introduce you to an exceptional AI video generator capable of enhancing and rendering your script copyright-free while making it engaging. Begin by searching for a movie review script, such as Oppenheimer Movie Review on Google. Select a reputable website, copy the review script, and paste it into a document file. Your review script is now prepared and we'll utilize it to create our video. To achieve this, I'll employ Wondershare Virbo. Virbo AI is a cutting-edge AI video creation tool developed by Wondershare. It empowers you to generate realistic videos in multiple languages, featuring a diverse range of AI avatars, over 120 voices, and support for various languages. Wondershare Virbo provides versatile customization options to cater to individual or business preferences, available on Windows as a mobile app and via the web. In this guide, I'll showcase the desktop version. After downloading and installing the application from the Wondershare website, launch the app. On the Virbo homepage, you'll find an extensive collection of lifelike AI avatars. Notably, these avatars come in various gestures, including standing and sitting, and can be customized with a circular view and background color adjustments. Choose an avatar and select your desired aspect ratio, preferably 16:9 for YouTube videos. You'll then be directed to the creator page. Instead of pasting your script directly into the script box, which may raise copyright concerns, opt to use iScript. This function will rewrite the script to make it your own. Select a script and paste your script, ensuring it does not exceed 2,000 characters. Next, select an optimization option, for instance, engaging. This will generate a new script entirely in your own voice. Additionally, Wondershare Virbo allows for script translation into over 120 languages, a remarkable feature. After verifying your script, you can proceed to create videos in your regional language as well. Now click Play Script to preview the voiceover.
Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer is a powerful masterpiece that delves deep into the tumultuous life of J. Robert Oppenheimer.
This good, but you can further customize the voice by selecting from over 180 voice models available in different languages and accents. Adjust voice speed and pitch to create a unique voiceover. At this point, customize the captions by selecting a style that ensures legibility in all environments, followed by choosing a bold font. You can also modify the background footage by clicking the background switch button, which offers an array of options, or you can upload your own background footage. To proceed, create a new scene in the timeline. Keep in mind that Virbo limits video length to 30 seconds per video creation session for free plan. Therefore, if necessary, trim your script accordingly. Click the plus icon and select the default template to add a new storyboard. Paste your script, incorporate background images or footage, adjust their size and position, and consider using green screen backgrounds for later enhancements during video editing. Your video should not exceed 30 seconds in length. Now it's time to export the video. Click the export button and wait for the export process to complete. Once done, you can download the video. Your first video segment is now created. Repeat this process for all the remaining segments. You can combine 30-second videos later to create longer videos with a free plan. For example, I created a video that will be up to 1 minute in total. For those curious, check out the 3 subscription pricing plans that offer monthly and yearly plans. The Yearly Pro plan is the most cost-effective for those planning to start a faceless YouTube channel. Once your videos are created, the final step involves video editing. Use a video editor like Adobe Premiere to import and edit videos. Make sure you have the necessary permissions or rights to use any images or footage in your video, as copyrighted material can cause problems. Adjust visuals, add images, and customize your video however you like. Make sure to mute the audio if you add any video footage to avoid potential copyright conflicts. When editing is complete, export the video. All you need to do at this point is to use your editing program's green screen feature called Ultra Key or Chroma Key and edit it according to your setup. I'm going to go fast so I don't waste your time. Let's take a look at the video we made together. Finally, post your video publicly and it will be available for viewers to enjoy. Before we move on to the video, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember that investing time in the editing process can result in more polished and professional videos as you begin your journey to create a movie review YouTube channel. Share your experiences and thoughts on potential video topics that could benefit from Virbo's AI avatars. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creation. Let's enjoy the video.
Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer is a powerful masterpiece that delves deep into the tumultuous life of J. Robert Oppenheimer, hailed as the father of the atomic bomb. The film skillfully captures the profound change in human consciousness during a haunting 3 hours. It's a spellbinding tale of genius, hubris, and collective and individual error. Examining the fascinating story of the American theoretical physicist who was instrumental in developing the atomic bombs that destroyed Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These catastrophic events changed the course of human history, leading us into an age dominated by our species. Nolan's incredible film brings this compelling tale to life in an unforgettable way, showcasing the brilliance and complexity of its extraordinary protagonist.